Oh, for a muse of fire that would ascend the brightest heaven of invention, a kingdom for a stage, animals to act, and professors to behold the swelling scene. Then should the wolf-like Wilhelm, like himself, assume the dance of sheep, and at his heels, leashed in like hounds, should moose, pig, and horse crouch for the kill.
Carnivorous mammals, especially big fierce ones like wolves and lions, capture the imagination of the scientist and the public alike. We tend to see carnivores as intelligent, canny predators, in contrast with the seemingly dim-witted herbivores upon which they prey.
I am Wilhelm. Wilhelm Wolf. I am a real wolf. I am no avatar. And yet, I have no teeth. I have no arms. And I have no legs. Just one arm, so to speak. This is a wolf avatar. It has arms, it has legs, and it has teeth inside of its closed little mouth. It is not a real wolf. It is a recent wolf.
A corollary to the idea of pursuit predators throughout mammalian evolution has been the notion of an arms race pattern of coevolution between predators and their prey.
I have antlers, I have antlers, I have antlers, look at my antlers, I have antlers. Do you have teeth? No, I have no teeth. Do you have arms? No, I still have no arms. Oh, I have antlers, I won the arms race, I won the arms race, I won the arms race. But the avatar has teeth. Let us dance with the avatar. Do, 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 do.